My name is Jaquayla. I am a certified business owner with JanPro. So I learned about JanPro through a family member who also has their own franchise through JanPro. And after attending informational session, I was impressed by the structure that JanPro offered and decided that that would be a good fit for me as someone learning to grow and build their own business. So it's been a truly positive experience. The process was straightforward and well supported. JanPro provided me with clear steps from the initial training and certification. They guided me through everything from operations, quality control, and customer service. Basically, they wanted to make sure that I was confident and ready to go. Since partnering with JanPro, my business has become more structured and scalable, and I basically have been able to go from working solo to managing multiple employees. Advice that I would give to someone that's starting their own franchise with JanPro is to do your research, be ready to commit, and so focus on quality of your work, customer satisfaction, and taking full advantage of support and training that is offered through JanPro. Seeing my business grow and expand, and also being able to provide employment for members in the community. So that is incredibly rewarding. One of the big lessons that I've learned is the importance of building relationships. So that is something that I wish that I would have known in the beginning, because it's not just cleaning service or cleaning business, it's also a people business. So understanding your customer needs is very important. One challenge that I met was managing rapid growth. So at first, I kind of struggled with being able to maintain high quality service as I was growing at a rapid pace. I overcame this by hiring a reliable team, implementing better scheduling and an oversight system. I'm most proud of, number one, just being my own business owner and having JanPro to be able to support me along the way. I'm proud that my kids are able to see me as a single mother strive and thrive in this business. Another thing that I'm proud of is being able to see my business just grow. Starting off with one smaller account, and then over a span of a year, seeing how many accounts I was able to accumulate and being able to manage. Also very proud to be able to be a staple in my community where I'm able to help others as well. In the next 5 years, I see my business expanding into new territories, adding more employees, and being one of the top performing CDOs. Smith Douglas Homes is a home building company that focuses on quality, affordable homes. We partner with them to provide post-construction cleaning services, ensuring that their homes are spotless and move-in ready for buyers. It's been a valuable relationship built on trust and high standards. So today we are actually in one of the Smith Douglas homes. We are in Alder Creek, which is in Benson, and they actually were bronze winner for the Parade of Homes. We've partnered with Smith Douglas Homes to provide post-construction services. We also service their model homes as well. We try to make sure that their spaces are spotless and clean for their buyers and their potential buyers. Their displays, their model homes, it is beautiful. I have been in model homes before, but I can honestly say walking into the Smith Douglas home is just breathtaking experience when you first walk through the door. Homes are amazing. The features, top of the line. We want our partners to be able to focus on their businesses. We don't want them to have to worry about keeping their space clean and sanitary. I think that it's important for them to partner with JanPro because we can take all of that work off their hands. They have a clear state of mind. They don't have to worry about sanitation. They don't have to worry about cleanliness. They can walk right into their businesses and get to work. Just learning about JanPro was really exciting for me. I wanted to find somewhere where, I would be supported, a business that was more lucrative and that I can also pass down to my kids. The growth opportunity, the ability to continue to grow. There's no mark that you stop at. You can just continue to grow and grow and grow and just get bigger and bigger and bigger. With other businesses, I just felt that, the growth opportunity would hit a point, and then there was nowhere else to go with that. So with JanPro, it was the growth for me. Our partnership with Smith Douglas Homes is built on mutual respect, trust, and professionalism. It's more than just a contract. It's a relationship where we feel valued and supported. That's rare, and we don't take it for granted. I especially want to shout out Kayla and Selena, who has been amazing to work with. From day one, they've shown so much professionalism, kindness, and appreciation for what we do. They make communication easy, expectations clear, and they treat us like partners. Their support has meant a lot, especially as a small business owner trying to build something meaningful. Thanks to this partnership, we are motivated to go above and beyond every time. We know that the spaces that we care for represent their brand, so we make sure that everything is spotless, welcoming, and up to their standards. We are incredibly grateful to be trusted with that responsibility, and we look forward to continue to grow together.